You're bidding on a Servo variable speed, sensitive precision benchtop drill press. Very nice unit. I'll turn them on. It's low. Looks like the light bulb is burned out, not coming on. Works nice. Came out of a closed lab. Looks like it's about 18 inches long. Let me pull this thing around here. This has got, it goes up and down. Quite a few attachments to this. This articulates. Gotta unlock it. I have the dimensions. This is what it is. Very nice unit, rare to find. A sensitive benchtop drill press, variable speed. You can lock it up and down and sideways and all the different whatever, but if you're looking at it, you probably know more about it than me. Good luck bidding.